here. Alright guys, right now Dom about to ride. Alright, so bro's yapping. The neighbor let me borrow the four-wheeler so I could follow him and record a little bit. We'll see y'all once we get riding and stuff, and if Dom die, I'm gonna record for real. Alright, so we're gonna start this baby up. First try. Alright, so after that, I think Dom's gonna die for real.
Okay, so after almost dying like 5 times, I'm kind of getting the use of it. Now, I might die now. Alright, what's up guys? Sam on a bike right now. Yeah, he testing it out.
The next day.
If Dom dies, he dead for real.
I'm gonna go down and then I'm gonna zoom up.
What are you doing on the ship?
Yeah, baby. Okay, start driving.
Bro, you need to do a speed test though.
That's what I'm gonna do.
I low-key need to put my goggles on, shout it. I don't know if y'all can hear me, it's kind of louder than the mud, but hopefully. Let's tighten this helmet. I have no clue how this one tightened. Okay, let me put my goggles on, and I'm gonna cut up in the mud. Where my goggles at, shout? Yo, I think I lost my goggles. That homies. I lost the goggles, bro. The shit's is gone. I gotta look for the goggles, bro. Oh yeah, thank you, thank you. Thank you, man. I was literally just coming back looking for those.
So, yeah, I heard the bike. I was like, I hear that. So
Yeah,
I knew you was out here.
I started at stop sign. I was trying to put them on. I was like, dang, they gone. I was coming back through looking for it. Thank you, man.
You're welcome. I didn't want to get right over there, laying right in the middle of the road.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Bro, I was driving so damn fast my goggles flew off.
What the fuck?
Alright, boys. I don't know if y'all can see. This is before I put y'all on the helmet. This is the new dirt bike that I, four-wheeler that I just got.